Welcome everyone to Beautiful Design Tutelage. Today I'll be replicating the design you see on the screen. I got the design online and today I'll be replicating it. So how do I do that? I'll first start by reducing the size of this one for referencing later. Next thing I'll be doing now is to create a shape by enlarging it. Click OK. Then I'll be changing the color of my shape. I'll be using the dark green color, and then bending it slightly. Okay, this is nice. Next I'll be locking the layer. Click on the layer tool and click on lock. Okay, I've locked my layer now. Next thing to do now is to copy this locked layer. I'll be copying it. Click on copy. As I click on copy now, I'll be changing the color of the copied one. Click on color and click on the lighter background. But can you see on this image, the lighter one was at the bottom and the darker one was at the top. So I'll be bringing this lighter one to the bottom. How do I do that? Click on the layer tool again and then bring this that is at the top. I'll be bringing it to the bottom, just like the way you see on the screen now. It has come to the bottom. Next thing I'll be doing now is to bend it slightly like this. Okay, something like this, but too big, so I'll be reducing the size slightly, just like this, just the way it is on the shape. Next thing I'll be doing now is to create my photo frames. The three photo frame you see on the picture here, these three photo frame, I'll be creating each of them now. First thing to do now is to create a shape and reduce it slightly like this. Okay, this is nice, and I'll be placing the photo frame here and bending it slightly. Okay, let's first import our picture from gallery. I have my pictures I want to use, so I'll be using these three pictures for each of the photo frame, this one, and this one. So let's first start with this middle one. Okay, I'll be reducing the size, then I'll be placing it on my photo frame here. Can you see? I just placed it on my photo frame. Next thing I'll be doing now is to match the two pictures together on pixellab. So I'll be clicking on this icon down here, click on it, highlight the two you want to match together, and then click on this icon here again. Click on it. It will give you a confirmation. Are you sure you want to match the selected object? Okay, it takes a few seconds and then it is done. So now these two are matched together, not one entity anymore, not two entities anymore, they are now one. So I'll be bending it slightly now. And then can we see from the image now that there is a shadow? A shadow is under each of those picture frame that made them pop the way they did. So I'll be moving to the last place, third to the last. I see shadow. I'll be clicking on the shadow. Click on shadow. Can you see a shadow has appeared there? I'll increase the blur radius slightly and then I'll offset X like just like this. Then I'll be reducing the transparency. Okay, and we see now it just looks exactly like the one you can see on the second image there. The next thing I'll be doing now is to create another shape. Yes, I'll be creating another shape to create the second picture frame. Click on the plus icon, click on shapes, click on shapes, reduce the size, and we can notice that the second one is bigger than the first one, so I'm making it slightly bigger than the first. Okay, and I'll be importing my picture from the gallery just like I did the first. Done. Okay, this is good. This is nice the way it is like this. So I'll be merging those two together as well. This and this one and this one. I'll be merging both of them together. I'll be clicking them and I'll click on the merge icon here. Okay. Okay, it has been merged together. You can see two of them has become one entity, no longer two. So I'll be bending it slightly just the way that one was bent. I'll be reducing the size slightly and I'll be placing it here. Okay, next now I'll be creating. Okay, next I'll be doing now is to add a shadow also to this one that you can see here. This one, I've been adding a shadow to it. So move to the third to the last, click on shadow, enable it, and reduce the transparency of the shadow. Okay, the shadow is already there. The next I'll be doing is the third icon, the third photo frame on the screen. Can you see it? It looks slightly smaller than the remaining two, so I'll just be importing my image from the gallery, clicking on the third image now. Okay, I'll be reducing the size and I'll be placing it inside the picture frame. Okay, this is good. This is good. Now I'll be merging both of them together just like I did the first two. Okay, I've merged them together. I've merged the three together now. So I'll be bending this slightly and I'll be reducing the size. Can you see? I just created the three picture frame. I just created the three picture frame now. Next I'll be doing is to create this 20% discount. You can see here, I'll be creating it now. First thing to do is to create a circle. So I'll be clicking on the plus icon, clicking on shapes, and I'll be changing to circle. Okay, reduce the size of the circle, and I'll be placing it here. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. So next I'll be doing now is to write the 20% discounts. 20% discounts. I'll be clicking on the plus icon on the control bar again, clicking on text. I'll double tap to edit my text and then I'll be writing the 20% first. 20%. 20%. Okay. Then I'll be bringing it down here. Clicking on the second icon on the control bar, I'll be clicking on relative position, bring it down here. Then, okay, positioning. I'll be changing the font as well. I'll be clicking on change fonts, changing the fonts to arm wrestler, using the arm wrestler font. Okay, I also position it as well so it can match or can be on the circle the way it's supposed to be. 20%. Now I'll be creating the discount text. Click on the text, double tap to edit text and write discount. Okay, draw, then reduce the size. Can you see the on the so I'll be changing the colors now. The color of the circle first. The color of the circle first. I'll be using the lighter green for it. Click on color. I click on lighter green. Okay, using the lighter green. The 20% next, I'll be using the darker green, just like on the image you can see there. Using the darker green. Click on color. Click on dark green. Click on color again for the discounts. And click on dark green. Just like that. Exactly like that. Now we see what next is there. What next is there? The next thing there now that I can see is what is written under here. Trusted and fast, reliable cleaning service. How do I do that? I'm clicking on the plus icon again, and I'll be clicking on texts. Bring the text down here, double tap to edit it. Trusted and reliable cleaning services. Okay, trusted and reliable cleaning services. Trusted and reliable cleaning services. Next thing I'll be doing now is to put I forgot to put my semicolon or colon. Okay, next now I'll be aligning it. Remember, we have three types of alignments: the left alignment, right alignment, and middle alignment. Can we see it here? Left alignment, right alignment, and middle alignment. So I'll be aligning this to the middle now, and I'll be reducing the size. Reducing the size. So I've reduced the size now. I'll be changing the color as well to the color white. Color. Okay, can we see? Now we've got just the ones we need. Next thing we'll be doing now is to move to the second part of it. Can we see we've gotten our right hand side part of this design? The next thing to do is the left hand side part of it now. So I'll be creating that in the next video. Come back next time for more beautiful tips like this on pixellab.